Today, we are focused on small appliance refrigerants for your EPA 608 exam, specifically the key differences between R-134a, R-12, and the newer hydrocarbons like R-600a. A very common exam question for the Type 1 certification revolves around the manufacturing date of a small appliance. Domestic refrigerators and freezers made before about 1995 used R-12, which is a CFC with a high ozone depletion potential, or ODP. After 1995, the industry shifted to R-134a and HFC, which the exam expects you to know has zero ODP but a high global warming potential, or GWP. The exam will test this cutoff date directly, so be prepared for questions that mention a specific year of manufacture. More recently, there has been a significant shift towards environmentally friendly hydrocarbon refrigerants in new domestic units, with R600A or isobutane being the most common. The EPA exam will test you on two critical facts about hydrocarbons: their environmental benefits and their flammability. R600A has a very low GWP of around 3 and 0 ODP. However, it is an A3 classified refrigerant, meaning it is highly flammable. This is a major safety and testing point. An exam question might describe a scenario of servicing a newer refrigerator and ask about the primary safety concern, which would be flammability and the need to avoid any ignition sources. Because of this flammability, the charge size for hydrocarbons in small appliances is strictly limited to 57 grams, or about 2 ounces. This small charge mitigates the risk, but proper safety protocol is non-negotiable. While domestic refrigerators have followed this path, be aware that other small appliances like window air conditioners and dehumidifiers commonly use R410A, or, more recently, R32. The single most important rule, and a point the exam emphasizes, is to always verify the refrigerant type on the appliance's data plate before beginning any service. Never assume based on age alone. To help remember the refrigerant progression, use this phrase: 12 was old, then the new 134. Now flammable 600 is at the door. This covers the transition from the old CFC to the replacement HFC, and finally to the modern hydrocarbon. Following these exam-focused points will prepare you for questions on these common small appliance refrigerants. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.